Namaste. This video is about explaining that gratitude actually improves your health. जब आप किसी के लिए थैंकफुल होते हो, जब आप कोई भी काम करके आते हो और उसके बाद थैंकफुल होते हो, जब आप किसी डॉक्टर से या थेरेपिस्ट से मिलते हो और जो भी वो आपको प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं उसके आप ये सोचते हो ओह ये कितना अच्छा काम कर रहा है। और जब आप ज़्यादा थैंकफुल होते हो तो आप रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि आप ज़्यादा जल्दी रिकवर करते हैं। और जब आप सैड होते हो, आप कंप्लेनिंग होते हो और सोचते हो अरे ये तो काम नहीं किया, तो आपको बहुत टाइम दवाइयाँ लेनी पड़ती हैं, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स वर्स होती रहती हैं और आप हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट भी हो सकते हैं। सो you have to realize that it is not the action which counts so much as the intention. Like it is very well written in Gita that there are so many examples of actions being right but intentions being wrong. For example, Putna gave milk to Krishna with poison on her breasts, and he was almost dying, and then God entered him and he killed Putna, killed in self-defense. So that murder is allowed in self-defense, and her action was pure, that she was giving him milk, but her intention was impure, that she had poison in her heart while giving the child milk. So this is be positive while giving the child milk. You have to learn meditation, in fact, while giving the child milk, so that you are detached and positive, and then you can feed the child. So it is again quality work which matters, not the actual act of giving milk. Similarly, there are so many examples of wars being fought because the king has ordered, and there are so many soldiers killing innocent people, and then those soldiers have to take rebirth as prostitutes or as chicken, and they are cut again and again to repay back the karma to the innocent people. So they fought right, their action was right, but the intention was wrong, that they were blindly obeying a dictator and they were simply working for their salary and not for helping the people get mass welfare. So it is not the action. If a teacher is teaching in class and she is not doing justice to the work, and she does not know how to do justice to the work, but she is not trying to learn also because she is getting a salary anyways, so then it is her karma might be going negative, as people may not be learning what they are supposed to learn, and so she will be unhappy in her personal life because she is passing on unhappiness. That happens if you are cooking food and you do it with distaste, like most cooks these days do, and there is no taste in the food, then you will realize that food does not give you happiness, and in your own life happiness reduces. You don't get enough food to eat yourself because you are working only for money and you're not working for giving happiness through food. So when you are working, you have to aim at giving happiness. Your work should be to give happiness to the other person, not just earn money. When you are giving happiness to the other person, you are grateful for the work that has come in your life, and they are grateful for you that you are working for them. Then positive energy multiplies and happiness increases in your life. But if you are doing work simply for the sake, because you are asked to work and you are unable to give happiness, then you will realize that their problems pass on to you and you become more unhappy after the work. So therapists and doctors, of course, suffer a lot of depression because they give positivity out and they are hearing negativity all the time, but they have to overcome it through rest and through meditation and reducing their work, which is very difficult, because if you are working like this all the time, you are flying, and then sitting and resting is very difficult. But there is no other way, because if you keep working 18 hours a day, you can suddenly crash and you can suddenly become very depressed and unable to work because you are not used to resting at all. So that kind of working is not advisable if you want to be healthy and live a long life and contribute positively to the life of others. Not just give medicines, but actually make them happy. Then you have to be positive yourself and reduce your work so that you work less but you give more quality work. So the idea of evolution is that you work less but more creation happens. And that is a difficult process, but it can be done. Be positive. Thank you.